formation of image by concave lens and its characteristics. Right now, this object is placed at infinity in this we are taking concave lens. Concave lens is represented as arrowhead outward, arrowhead inward. This is the representation of concave lens, and which is having principal axis. Here this is called the optic center, focus, center of curvature. Similarly, left side also we get the same, f1 to f1. Okay, object is placed at infinity in the sense we are taking the light rays which are parallel to the principal axis is the representation of object is at infinity. Okay, above the principal axis I am taking one light ray, below the principal axis I am taking one more light ray. Okay, but actually what happened, the light rays means these two diverges. The light ray which is incident on the lens get diverges. The diverging light ray which is appears to coming from one point. Okay, similarly this also get diverges, diverging light ray which is appears to coming from one point. Okay, two light rays we are considering. One light ray which is moving parallel get diverges, and this light ray which is appears to coming from one point. Similarly, lower side we are taking one more light ray which is diverging like this, and we are extending it back. These two light rays, a diverging light ray which are appears to coming from one point. Okay, and where is the object? Object is at infinity. Where is the image formed? Where they are coming from? That point we are calling it as image position. And what is the size of this? Size of this is giving you very small, nothing but point size. Okay, and what is the nature? These two light rays never intersect directly, so which is giving you inside the lens. So we are calling it as a virtual image. Virtual image always erect image. Okay, right now characteristics. Object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. Image is formed at focus. Image is formed at focus, that is giving you f1 position. Third, what is the size of the image? Point size are highly diminished. What is the nature of the image? Nature of the image is which is giving you, we can't catch out the screen, so we are taking it as virtual and erect. Okay, this is first. Coming to second ray diagram. Object is placed at center of curvature. Okay, but actually in this wherever the object is placed will get diminished only. With this we can understand. Okay, object is placed at center of curvature. First I am taking representation of lens, optic center, focus, center of curvature, focus, center of curvature. Right now I am taking an object at center of curvature. One light ray which is coming from here, moving parallel to the principal axis. It get diverges. The diverging light ray appears to coming from focus. This is the diverging light ray. The light ray which is appears to coming from focus. Okay. One more light ray which is passing through optic center. It won't be deviated. It will move like a straight line. Where we are getting image. Image we are getting at this point. Where the light rays are intersecting, there we will get the image. Where is the image? Which is forming between focus and optic center only. Image is forming between focus and optic center. What are the characteristics we have? And one more. What is the size of the object and size of the image? Size of the image is smaller than that of object. So we are getting the characteristics. Object is at center of curvature 2f1. Image is formed between focus and optic center. Image is in between focus and optic center. What is the size which is giving you? Diminished. Okay. What is the nature? Which is virtual and erect. Why? Because which is forming inside of the lens. So that which is forming inside of the lens, which is giving you virtual and erect image. Okay. These are the two diagrams and one more. Let us discuss now. Object is placed at focus. Right now we are taking representation. Principal axis, optic center, focus, center of curvature, focus, center of curvature. We are taking object at focus like this. One light ray which is moving parallel to the principal axis and get refracted. Refracted light ray which is diverging away, and this light ray appears to coming from focus. Okay, diverging light ray appears to coming from focus. Okay, one more light ray I am taking. That light ray which is passing through optic center without any deviation. It will move like a straight line. Where we are getting image? Image is at this point. Okay, we will get the image here. Where is the position? It is exactly in midway of focal length. This is the distance we are calling it as focal length. Okay, where is the object? Object is at focus. Where is the image formed? Image is in between focus and optic center. Okay, or else you can take midway, exactly half the position. Okay. What is the size? Size of the image is smaller, nothing but diminished. What is the nature? Nature of the image is virtual and erect. Okay. In this concave lens ray diagrams, it is all image is always forming in between focus and center of the focal length. Okay. Here always forming diminished image, always forming virtual and erect image wherever the object is placed in front of before the lens. Okay, this is about formation of images by convex lens and its characteristics. Okay, ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.